Hello and welcome to our video demonstrating Flipfix access panels. These are our range of standard size panels, fire tested on plasterboard walls and ceilings. They come with T-keys, suitable for their flush locks. On top of the box is a cardboard pop-out template, which you can use to mark out your structural opening in your plasterboard. Then use a drill to mark the corners. Followed by an appropriate saw to cut through the plasterboard. Then insert the panel, flip the Flipfix fittings into place and drill them to secure the whole panel in place. You can lock it this way, and that allows you to open and close the door very simply. For technical advice, please call us on 01752 690 997. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.